Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to change your background on Snapchat. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once the app is launched, locate and tap on your avatar or profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on your profile background to access the customization options. Within this menu, select Pose and Background to proceed with changing your background. Now, it's time to personalize your background. Choose a new background that best suits your style and preferences to enhance your Snapchat experience. Once you've selected your desired background, tap on Save at the top right corner of the screen to apply the changes and save your new background setting. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your background on Snapchat, allowing you to customize your profile and make it uniquely yours. Thank you for tuning in to this tutorial. Elevate your Snapchat profile by changing your background and adding a personal touch to your snaps. Enjoy exploring different backgrounds and showcasing your creativity on Snapchat.